my name is Driti. I'm going to show you my experiment. It's sink or float. Like I'm going to put this in.
Oh, tell them you're going to be...
Let's see or sinks or float. It floats. And I'll put this in or sinks or float as well. It floats. Now I'm going to try this one. Sinks or float again. It floats. No, it sinks.
Why?
Because it has the magnet in there. That's why it sinks. I tried the glue.
What do you think?
I think it will float.
You think so? Let's try.
It floats.
It's almost sinking.
It sinks. It sinks. Let's try the scissors.
What do you think will happen to the scissors?
I think it'll sink.
Why?
Because it has these magnets as well.
It's heavy, Driti. It is metal, yeah? That's
It's
why.
heavy, it's metal. So it sinks. Now I'm going to try the glass.
Yeah?
Or that glass.
No, that glass?
No, that glass.
That glass?
This glass.
What do you think?
I think it'll sink.
Why?
Because this is metal.
No, it's glass. But the water that went inside it made it so heavy. So it started sinking down. Yeah? Okay. What are you trying to do? Done?
I think it floats.
Why?
Because this is light.
Very good, Driti. Done?